Today, we're going to be talking about 3 types of traders and helping you identify which one you are. Over the past 15 plus years, we've trained a lot of traders through our courses and more recently our memberships and mentorship programs. And throughout that process, we've noticed that at the end of the day, you can reduce all the various trading styles and personalities into 3 main groups or types of trader. My hope is that by sharing these with you, it'll help you identify which group you're in and how to advance forward in light of that. Now, this first example is interesting because this type of person isn't a trader yet. They're interested in becoming a trader, but they also battle the feeling that trading is simply unattainable. Everything from deciphering all the different educational videos and lectures online to questioning whether or not it's actually like gambling to just a general doubt that they could even do it themselves. Now, we're including this type of person in the mix because while they haven't started trading yet, they have something within them that wants to give it a try. But the question is, can they overcome some of these barriers that I just mentioned and attain a learnable skill set? We think they can, and I'll share more about that here in just a moment. The second type of trader is a person who starts trading. They believed they could do it and they went all in, but they did so without any training. And this could be a big problem. This type of trader has a lot of zeal and they try really hard, but it's a zeal without knowledge. And in believing that they can just figure it out on their own, they can make a number of very costly mistakes, sometimes even losing a lot of money. The confidence is there, but they're missing out on one of the biggest things that we believe will ultimately make them successful, and that is learning and using a proven stock trading system taught and used by other traders who have been able to apply it consistently. Now imagine the difference that that could make. The third type of trader is someone who actually gets the training because they understand that in order to get an advantage, they need to hear from those who have been there before. It's something that we like to call time compression. In learning a skill set from someone who's been doing it for, let's say, 40 years, you can compress your time by learning from the mistakes and the successes that they had. In this case, the confidence and the zeal is still there, but there's a sober-mindedness about all of it. Not only do they go for it, but they're humble enough to understand that an instructor is needed to get them where they want to go. That instructor may come in the form of an online course, a live online challenge, one-on-one sessions with a mentor, or even getting involved in an online community with like-minded traders. These are the traders in our experience that have the greatest advantage and can do really well. So now the question is, which type of trader do you think you are? Maybe you're intrigued by it, but you're so suspicious of its viability that you never go further than that. Maybe you're going for it, but without any real training other than the occasional podcast or YouTube video. Or maybe you're ready and willing to get to work, starting with a robust education and applying a time-tested system for your trading. Remember, trading doesn't have to take up all your time. You don't need a ton of money to do it. You don't have to be a math genius, and is one of the most incredibly versatile ways to be involved in a market, making it possible to fit into just about any other career you're already invested in. If you want to learn more about what it means to learn a system for trading, sign up for our free masterclass, Stock Trading: The New Gold Rush. In this free masterclass, you'll learn the 4 simple skills you need to learn to become a great stock trader, why trading could be the best way to make money right now, the truth behind what keeps most people from doing it, and the fastest, easiest way that you could learn your first professional strategy. Start watching the free masterclass now at TRADEway.com/masterclass.